Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
Shri Shuka Vacha Pitagare Vrishankena Pritaste Amaradhanavaha Mamanto Starasa Sindhum Avirdhani Tato Avava. तो सारांश में देवता लोग श्राप के कारण बहुत मुश्किल में हैं और उनको पता नहीं क्या उपाय क्या है. दे डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन. दे आर इन ग्रेट ट्रबल and they approach Brahma. Something can be done. Brahma says, I do not know what can be done. Let us go to Vishnu. And they go to Vishnu and he makes a plan. So therefore Krishna has a way to solve any problem. Very complicated. Like Bali Maharaj also was very, very complicated because Bali Maharaj was under the blessing of Shukracharya. So Krishna had to do all the natak to become Vamana, make Shukracharya curse Bali Maharaj, then take away everything. So Krishna knows how to make a way. Hiranyakashipu had a benediction. He will not be killed in a day or in the night. Krishna knows how to solve all this. He knows way to do away with. So similarly, now it's very complicated situation. Danavas are very powerful. Devatas being cursed by Durvasa Muni are in trouble. And the Danavas are taken over the universe. Situation has to be corrected. Krishna knows what to do. Overall, in Samudra Manthan, both sides are engaged in sense gratification only. Devatas also want to enjoy, and Danavas also want to enjoy. But Danavas are doing in total forgetfulness of Krishna. Devatas are doing in under the order of Krishna. So we are also presently engaged. We do have desires. What we are doing now is not pure devotion. Therefore, there is no complete satisfaction. When service is offered in pure devotion, there is complete satisfaction. Save pumsa paro dharma yata bhakti yodokshajaye ahituki apratihata yayatma suprasidati. Bhagavatam 1-6. Yatayatma, total satisfaction of the heart, it comes when we offer pure devotion service, and presently it's not pure devotion service, something else. It's some khichdi. But still we are engaged, so there is hope. There is hope. But still it is not. We should differentiate what is pure devotion, what is not. Otherwise we will never advance. We have to know. Prabhupada says a devotion service can be performed in 81 qualities. Because Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Vandanam, Archanam, Dasyam, Sakya, Atmanivedanam. ये तो नवभदक भक्ति है. 3 तरह की हो सकती है. सत्वगुण में, रजोगुण में, तमोगुण में. है सत्वगुण में भी जप कर सकते हैं, हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण कृष्ण. रजोगुण में भी कर सकते हैं, तमोगुण में भी कर सकते हैं. So similarly, all the elements today are contaminated. It's not pure. And that Prabhupada said is pratak bhava. I was just meditating few days ago. There is a big pastime. Lord Chaitanya comes to South India. Chaitanya Babu South India आते हैं तो एक बहुत बड़ा लीला है. So many things he does in that लीला. He is meeting Ramananda Rai. He is converting the Buddhist. He is meeting the Brahmana who whole day chants the name of Lord Rama and is not ready to eat because he is saying Ravana has taken Sita away. Such extra. He is going to Adikeshwar temple, getting Brahma Samhita. Lord Chaitanya is in a big mission. His South Indian tour, he is accomplishing so many things. He comes to Udupi also. He scolds the Madhvas, why you are so proud. He is doing so many things. But there he has a disciple, not a disciple practically, but definitely a follower, Kala Krishnadasa, who is with him. Was very strict brahmachari, very pure, everything. But Pratak Bhava. Among all, he is not absorbed in all this thing, he is absorbed in something else. चैतन्य बाबू जो साउथ इंडिया आते हैं बहुत कुछ करते हैं, बड़ा बड़ा कि रामानंद राय को मिलते हैं, इधर होता है उधर होता है, बड़ा बड़ा काम होता है. करेक्ट. ही गोज टू श्रीरंगम आल्सो एंड ही ब्लेसेस Venkata Bhatta and his son Gopal Bhatta. So many things Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is doing, visiting beautiful temples. But there is one disciple of his get trapped in Pratak Bhava. He is not lost into all the things that's happening, and he is lost into some small thing. They come to Kerala and place, and in that Kerala near Mangalore, there is some place called Bhattaharis. Bhattaharis. The Bhattaharis are like gypsies, and they entice this fellow, and he runs away with them. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants to save him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally goes and drags him by the hair. And the Bhattaharis attack Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with weapons, but the weapon hit them only. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doesn't have to lift weapon. But point ये है कि चैतन्य महाप्रभु तो इतना बड़ा काम में साउथ इंडिया में आए थे, लगे हुए थे, करेक्ट, इतना बड़ा काम. रामानंद राय को मिले, श्रीरंगम गए, उडुपी गए, बहुत बुद्धिस्ट लोगों को कन्विंस किया. वो बड़ा पास टाइम है. बुद्धिस्ट आदमी आता है, कुछ वो बेमतलब का खाना उनको देते हैं, अशुद्ध खाना, वो एक गरुड़ आके उठा के उसके सिर में पटकते. इतना कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन उनका एक शिष्य, उसका नाम काल कृष्णदास, वो सब कुछ और में लगा हुआ उसका दिमाग. वो भट्टाहारी के साथ बाकी, अरे बाबा उस काम में लगो ना, इतना बड़ा काम चल रहा है, उधर मन लगाओ. नहीं, उधर उसका कुछ और चल रहा है, उसका अपना कुछ और पर्सनल पृथक भाव, पर्सनल सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, एंड एवरीथिंग इज डिस्ट्रॉयड. And he lost. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought him back. But when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came back to Mayapur, to Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, now go. I don't want you. He got shocked. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu rejected him from his personal service. But true, Nityananda Prabhu was very merciful because he was very sorry for the mistake he has done. He genuinely repentant. So Nityananda Prabhu and other devotees still gave him some engagement. They asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we have to give message to Sachi Mata, you have come back to Jagannath Puri, she is in so much anxiety. Yes, can we send somebody? Okay, do. And they sent him with some engagement. So still gave him some service to Lord Chaitanya indirectly. So the sense gratification is the one which is actually the central point of Bhagavad Gita. Prabhupada says, instead of satisfying our own personal material senses, we should satisfy senses of Krishna. This is Krishna consciousness. आत्मेंद्रिय प्रीति, क्या श्लोक है? कृष्णेंद्रिय प्रीति वांछा धरे प्रेम नामा, आत्मेंद्रिय प्रीति तारे कामा. कृष्णेंद्रिय प्रीति वांछा धरे प्रेम नामा. हाँ हाँ, आत्मीय प्रीतिवांचा तारे भले कामा, कृष्णेंद्रिय प्रीतिवांचा धारे प्रेम नामा. हाँ, ठीक है, याद हो गया. सो व्हेन वी आर फॉर आवर ओन सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन एक्टिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड काम. व्हेन यू आर एक्टिंग फॉर कृष्णा, इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेम. दोनों एक सा ही दिखता है. प्रभुपाद जी एग्जाम्पल दें, लोहा और सोना, दोनों है तो मेटल ही, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. तो कृष्ण राधा का लीला प्रेम है, और यह दुनिया में हो जा रहा है काम है. दिखता तो एक सा ही है, दिखता है एक है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. सो भगवद गीता भी अर्जुन को बोलते हैं मैं युद्ध नहीं करूंगा. क्यों? आत्मेंद्रिय, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता. आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी हैप्पी इफ आई फाइट दिस वॉर. सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन, अपना सोच रहा है, कह रहे पृथक भाव. कृष्ण का नहीं सोच रहा, अपना सोच रहा हो. कृष्णा ये युद्ध होगा ना, मैं आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी हैप्पी. दिस इज नॉट द वे टू लुक एट इट, बट ही वाज लुकिंग इन अ रॉन्ग वे. And then when you are doing things on your own accord, be ready to face karma. When you do things for Krishna, there is no karma. Just like आप खाना बनाते हैं, भगवान को ऑफर करते हैं, there is no karma. It is devotion. But when you cook for your own self, it is karma. So this is actually the element of kama and prema, which is illustrated in the Bhagavad Gita. Yat karoshi yajjuhosi yadadhasi. So this is very nicely said. There is a shloka on eating also, no? You are eating goblets of sin. What is the shloka? Ye prachanti yagna shishta sino shanto bhujyate. Yes, yagna shishta sino shanto bhujyate sarvakal vishay bhujyate tu agam papam ye pachanti atma karana. So when we are cooking and offering to the Lord, it becomes free from any karma, and when we are actually doing for our own selves, it becomes contaminated. So this is the principle actually. So therefore, the Danavas are practically focused on sense gratification. and their only objective is how to enjoy the senses, and therefore they fight. That's what is going to happen. They're going to get pot of nectar, but they're going to fight. They're going to fight for it, and nobody is going to drink it. And maybe koi fayda nahi hua. So much effort they did. They were much more powerful than the devatas. They put so much effort for sense gratification. At the end, they didn't get anything. But the devatas are different because they are dovetailed for pleasure of Krishna. Prabhupada gives an example. Just like a finger in the body is dovetailed for pleasure of the body. And that is actually proper consciousness. But when a dovetail for personal pleasure, that is sense gratification. Okay. So Danavas, even though they get, they fight. This is what's going to happen now. Because of sense gratification, the whole thing is going to become in a mess. So this Samudra Manthan is the elaborate Leela of the Lord. Somehow both Devatas, Danavas are engaged. Danavas are also fortunate because Kurma ko thoda khujli mita diya. So kisi tarah unse bhi seva le liya. Just like Buddha also took some service from atheistic people because they started worshipping Buddha. The same way, it is said that here Samudra Manthan, somehow Danavas got engaged, and they got engaged. And so many things, it is said in other places. Here Bhagavatam list is less. 18 things came out of Samudra Manthan. जरा 18 आइटम का लिस्ट करो, क्या क्या याद है? लक्ष्मी आई, अभी सुरभि आई, फिर उच्चैश्वर आए, घोड़ा आया, देन ऐरावत आया, अच्छा हाँ 4, और वारुणी, अभी वो गॉडेस ऑफ लिकर 5, देन हाँ अमृत आया, चलो एंड में चो तो एंड में आएगा 6, और अरे पॉइजन के पॉइजन भूल गए, अप्सरास, हाँ देन अप्सरास, देन द ज्वेल ऑफ कृष्णा कौस्तुभा, देन अभी हमारा कितना हुआ 9, देन पारिजात फ्लावर के 10, वी स्टिल हैव 8 मोर, हाँ पारिजात फ्लावर, हाँ लक्ष्मी के, Dhanvantari came. There are 18 things which come out of this total list. Moon also came. Samudra Manthan, moon also came. Not mentioned in Bhagavatam, moon also is a product of Samudra. Surabhi ho gaya, abhi bhi aaya. ठीक है, 11-12 पहुंच गए. Is 18 items come out of Samudra Manthan, and both are engaged. But the end was nectar. और end में क्या चाहिए था? Nectar. The same way, when we are doing devotion service, we should not become, I'll take a slight allegory. Yesterday I started with it. It's not allegorical, it's a fact which happened. But slightly allegorical, you understand. First thing when you begin devotion service, poison comes out. All our anartha nivritti, so many unwanted desires suffocate us. We have to get rid of that. We have to throw it away. It's not easy to get rid of that. And then we should always be focused. As we advance in devotion service, we become, sattvic. We get so much knowledge. We become respectable. We have to be very careful not to become yoga brashta. Like Krishna warns devatas, don't get attracted by so many things coming. When Bali Maharaj wanted the horse, Indra was upset because he wanted that horse. It was a very special horse. But Krishna already told Indra, don't be lusty for things that come out. They leave it. Similarly, Varuni comes. They leave it for the Danavas. They are not interested. वैसे भी वो लोग दारू नहीं पीते. वो पीते हैं सोमरस. सोमरस दारू नहीं है. हाँ, कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सोमरस दारू नहीं है, सोमरस नेक्टर है वो. So anyway, so we see that so many things come, but the end is nectar. So similarly, many times people say that why I am not feeling bliss. You have to go through so many stages. Shraddha, sadhu, sangha, bhajan, kriya, anartha, nivritti, nishta, ruchi. Ruchi comes later. The nectar starts at ruchi. But people are impatient. Krishna says, the Danavas and Devatas are very tired, but they continued with enthusiasm. Krishna was personally with them. So similarly, when we take to devotion service, Krishna is with us. Any difficulty, Krishna will help us. Krishna says that in Bhagavad Gita, Yesham satade uktanam bhajatam priti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam ye mamam upayantite. Krishna will guide us. Aham ajnana jamatam ha nashiyami atma bhavasto jnana dipena bhashata. How does this shloka stand? Esham eva anukampartam, out of compassion for them, those who are constantly chanting, those who are endeavoring for perfection. Krishna helps from within. Anenyaschintoyanto mam ye jana paryupasate tesham nityamimukta mam yogakshema vahamyam. Krishna is going to help, but we should be sincere. हम लोग को बहुत सिंसियर होना चाहिए, बट ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए एंड में क्या चाहिए, अमृत. वी वांट द नेक्टर, करें, नेक्टर मतलब हैप्पीनेस ऑफ. लेकिन जैसे ही मिलावट होगा भक्ति नष्ट हो जाएगा, नष्ट हो जाएगा. जैसे बोलते हैं ना एग्जाम्पल उसका, और शक्कर बनाते हैं जागरी से, कितना कचरा आता है उसको निकालते रहना पड़ता है. तो सिमिलरली भी भक्ति कर रहे हैं, ये भी चर्निंग चल रहा है, बहुत कचरा आता है, निकालते रहने का, फेंकने का नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए. वी हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी जेन्युइन एंड सिंसियर. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu listed there are 8 kind of things which are actually weeds which have to be noticed. What are the weeds? Kutinati, Jeev Himsa, Nishidachar, Mana Puja, Pratishtha. No duplicitous behavior. We should live in company of devotees, very straightforward. Jeeva Himsa, we should not give pain to another person. And then Nishidachar, and then Jeeva Himsa, Kutinati, Jeeva Himsa, Nishidachar. We should follow the rules and regulations. And then Mana Puja Pratishtha. We should not get lost in adoration, worship. Then we will leave Prithak Bhava. We have some other interest. Just like that Kala Krishna Dasa. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is having such massive mission. He is doing so many things. He is delivering the whole world, and you are his assistant. Focus on that. He is looking at the gypsy woman, lost. Correct? Just Prabhupada says, you may be with the Lord, you may be worshipping the deity, then Maya can still catch you. We should not have Prithak Bhava. We only one Bhava. My only mission is how to please Krishna and how to go back to God. Everything is included. There is no need of a personal interest. This mission of the Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission, this ISKCON is also Lord Chaitanya's mission. No need to have personal interest. This is the mission of the Lord. Be absorbed in it. Everything Krishna will take care. Finally, what we can take care. We are so small. Okay? So there is no need of Prithak Bhava. We should be absorbed in Krishna's service. And we should look out for these weeds. And as these weeds are with the help of other devotees or personally, when the weeds are noticed, remove the weeds and progress in devotion service. Then success is guaranteed. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Hari